it's been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas to you.
So sorry about that, guys. I forgot to show you the decorations, and this is how it turned out. We have sheets on our couch because we have kittens. Okay, guys, don't judge us. Good morning, you guys. Today is Vlogmas day, and I'm not really sure what video I'm doing today. Just come along. You guys will see the title when you click on it. I'm going to the gym today with my friend. This is gonna be my first day back at the gym since like 2 years. Okay, so I'm ready to be consistent with the gym, consistent with YouTube. This is giving me very much New Year's vlog, but no, I'm gonna start the new year early. So my hair looks pretty crazy, but I don't have enough time. She has things to do, I have things to do. I'm just gonna wash my hair when I get home. So I'm gonna put it up. I haven't been to the gym in forever, you guys. I'm getting a new bedspread. My bed is pretty messy at the moment, but just chill on me. Putting a headband on. What should I wear to the gym? Leggings, yeah. I'll put on some leggings. Honestly, I would go to the gym like this, but I haven't been there yet, so I'm gonna fill it out. And if there's a lot of women in their sports bras, then I'll start wearing my sports bra, because I used to go to the gym when I was younger, and the way the men used to look at me. I mean, honestly, women, if you go to the gym, I'm pretty sure men are looking at you all the time. Like, if you go to the fucking grocery store, men are gonna look at you. So I don't know, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna fill this day out, but eventually, fuck it, I'm gonna wear sports bras. I'm gonna. But today, I'm a little nervous. Okay, make sure you scrub your tongue, because I feel like a lot of people don't, and it really shows. Get the gums too. Am I turning into my mom? My mom brushes her teeth. All you hear is just to brush my lip, like. But I stopped, and then I seen somebody do it on TikTok. I'm like, that's normal. So I'm gonna brush my lip today. Got my bamboo toothbrush. Need to get another one because I brush kind of hard. I actually do have another one. Oh my god, I'm gonna switch my toothbrush today. Period. Today I will be using my micellar. My whatever, that's what I'm using. My friend is already on the way to the gym. I feel bad, but the grind don't stop. I'm sorry, it don't stop. Then I'm going to take my Bath and Body, no, not Bath and Body, Bed Bath and Beyond, oh my god, my Bed Bath and Beyond brand Cetaphil. This right here, I'm gonna be extra today. Oh no, that's actually a lot. What am I doing? I'm not a beauty guru at all. I just got some in my freaking hair. You guys want me to look at you? Couldn't find my Vaseline, so I'm just gonna have to put on lip gloss, which is so annoying. I don't want freaking sparkly lip gloss on right now. But I don't want dry lips either. This is today's fit, a very, very wrinkly shirt. I gotta get a better video. It's so freaking dark. Oh wait, I actually have a light. Oh my god. Oh, I have a light. Yeah. Wrinkly tie-dye shirt, some leggings, socks, headband, I'm Dunkin' right now because me and my friend both didn't eat, so I'm just gonna grab us. Oh shit, it's mad bright. I am gonna grab us some wake up wraps. I don't vlog and drive, but I'm over here taking that risk for you, so you better like, comment, and subscribe. Oh my god, there's this girl that, and I think if you guys are like, what does mean If you know, you know, okay? But anyways, hopefully she's not here today, because if she is, I'm definitely gonna check to see if there's a little bit of spit in my food. Hopefully she's not dirty like that, but she doesn't like me, so I don't know. This line's a little too long. A little too long.
Hi, can I get a bacon, egg, and cheese wake-up wrap? Bacon, egg, and cheese wake-up wrap? And then a bacon and cheese wake-up wrap, no egg.
Oh, I got a Dunkin'. I don't even go to Dunkin' Donuts. And I got a Dunkin' Donuts gift card. Is it in my car though? That's the question. That's the... My job gave it to us. It's only fucking $5, but you know. It's cute. Very cute. A wake-up wrap and some tap water will do. Okay, she's not here. She's not here. Yay. Yay. What if I get to the gym and they're like, where's your mask?
Have a great day.
You too, thanks. But the gym is right across. I'm waiting for these cars so I can turn. Oh. Skirt, 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 skirt. I feel so bad. She's been waiting for me. Oh, I'm such a bad friend. I would park near her car if I knew what her car looked like. Oh, I do know what her car looks like. I do know what her car looks like. And I'm gonna park right near her. Gonna back up a little so I don't scratch her car. Alright. I'm not bringing my camera into the gym. I will bring my phone into the gym. See you guys later. Yeah. Don't look at me.
Okay, I was looking at the camera.
Alright, you guys, I'm back home from the gym. I was gonna take a shower and then clean my room, but I think I'm gonna clean my room first, because once I take a shower, I'm gonna want to lay down. Sadly, my bedspread is not even in transit. Like, it said it was supposed to come today, and I was gonna do a big cleaning video. That's why there's still clothes on my bed, because I wanted you guys to see the transformation and everything. But I mean, I could still do that for you guys. My mom has a queen, so I'm gonna use some of her sheets for now, and I'm just gonna put my camera in the corner, do a time lapse, and you guys can watch me clean. I really wish that you guys see me set my shoe racks up and my shelf, but there's still a lot that needs to be done, so come watch me. I just realized that these are my king size sheets. I think my mom put them on my bed by accident. I thought she put her queen sheets on here, but I'm not doing it over again. So I just got out of the shower. I know I look mad greasy. I used some baby oil gel. Yeah, I used baby oil gel. That shit, good. But I don't really like the greasy look. I'm not feeling it. Anyways, I'm done cleaning my room and I just wanted to show you guys. So this part, I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with all my jackets. This is kind of annoying. Definitely gonna fix that. But we have this. This is what my room looks like, you guys. That shelf, don't worry about it. I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with it. Over here, it's still not perfect. I have my business. I really want to show you guys some craft videos. If that's what you guys are interested in, comment down below. I'll give you guys some craft videos. But yeah, look. First of all, should I do a shoe video, you guys? Do you guys want to see the type of shoes that I have? I got rid of a few. But look at this shoe tower. And I have my Cricut up here, the ornaments that I am currently working on, my MacBook, some extra cups for my business. I have purses, and yeah, I think I'm gonna get rid of some of these pillows. Well, not get rid of them. I'm really attached. I've had my pillow pets for like, I don't know, 8 years. Guys, I can say 8 years, okay? I'm old now. 8 years ago, I was 11. I was 11. Ooh, it is bright. I look like Michael Jackson. Let me do a little adjustments. Okay, it looks better now. I am walking to my grandma's house. She wants me and Marcus to paint. Me and Marcus are with Aaliyah, so I guess we're gonna paint.
Hi. Got my hair wet. I got my hair wet. I got my hair wet. I did. It's a lot.
Hey, fucking yo. Look at her.
You friend?
Look at her.
You lying. Ah! Oh no!
What
I'm going
happened?
to your ass. Hey, Lottie, we like to party. Dance with mommy. You good?
I think your camera got it too.
No, good.
Cut.
I just got shot. Let me get my camera.
I ran out of them.
My big brother is here. Turn the light on for me, please. I don't think I want you to do alcohol. There's no peroxide.
Gia, grow up. Do you want to get the tetanus shot and die?
God.
I'm not even gonna do 1, 2, 3.
God.
I'm not gonna do 1, 2, 3. You're fine.
Woo.
So you needed the band-aid now.
G-Cat has thumbs. Look. Show them your thumbs.
All right, so I'm making Leah a cup right now.
Yes.
Dang, let me get it to focus.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.